I've had bad makeup days and good makeup days, and I think these tips help make a difference. Your skin is probably not moisturized enough. I use the Tara 28 Daily Rescue Spray and I find that it really helps with my redness. It doesn't matter if you did your skincare in the morning hours ago, you have to do it again before you apply your makeup. When your foundation separates, it might be because you haven't let your skincare soak into your skin yet. So while I wait for that, I'm gonna get started on my brows. If your brows get crusty, it's probably because you're not wiping away the excess skincare or foundation off of your brows. My base always hits different when I mix different products and focus on different areas of the face. Using this Aborian CC Red Correct on my redness areas. I love this product so much when I don't want to wear makeup like going to the gym or the beach but need some help with my redness. I put this on and it looks like I have nothing on my skin. And then I use a dewy skin tint on my high points. Today I'm using the Hourglass Hydrating Skin Tint. Now that this gives me my glow back, I use a matte to satin foundation mainly on my oily areas, aka my T-zone. And it's also the area that needs a little bit more coverage. I have combination skin, oily here and normal everywhere else, so it's only fitting that I use a combination of products. If you're spot concealing, you're probably just grabbing a big chunk of concealer and calling it a day, but that just puts too much unnecessary product on a small area, so I like to put it on my hand first. If it's a good high coverage concealer, a little goes a long way. And if you need more, just build it up thin layer by layer so it's not looking super cakey. For spots, I like to use a mix of the Hourglass Vanish Concealer and the NARS Pot Concealer. If you're getting intense creasing around your smile lines, you're probably putting too much makeup in that area. I like to completely avoid powdering my smile lines because dryness is where creasing happens. And if your makeup looks patchy, you're probably not reblending your products into each other. So grabbing some concealer and just blending out this transition between the blush and the concealer. And if your under eyes look super cakey with a lot of creasing, you're probably just grabbing a big chunk of powder and going straight in. If you like to bake your under eyes, go in with a pressed powder first to smoothen the surface, so the powder is not latching onto every nook and cranny of the eye. Or if you're not much of a baker, smoothen the powder puff area on the back of your hand first before you set your under eyes, and always look up so you're not setting the creases. I like to grab a Q-tip, dip it into a lip mask to remove the foundation from my lips. It also gives me a little bit of hydration. This is the Fenty Skin Plush Pudding Lip Mask, by the way, and I love it for flights. Okay, today is a good makeup day.